Hello Office 365 users, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at converting Google Slides to a PowerPoint that you can use with your students on their iPads or on any device, regardless of what grade you teach or what resources you're looking at. So for instance, I've had a lot of questions recently about finding something on Facebook or some other website that was using a Google product and wanting to use it with your Office 365 accounts in your classroom. And so I found this Math Manipulatives group on Facebook, and they have a lot of great resources. And this first one actually is one that will act as an example appropriately for us. So if I click on the link here for these fraction task cards, it takes me over to the Math Curious website, and if I want to use these Google Slides that are the fraction task cards, I can come down to the bottom of this page, and there's a link here to the Google Slides. And so if I click on that, and I click to make my own copy of it, then it's going to open here in Google Slides, and I'll be able to download it as a PowerPoint. So once it loads, I'm going to click here in the top left on File, and I'm going to hover over Download and select Microsoft PowerPoint. And so the file will download as a PowerPoint, and I will then save it to my desktop, most likely, before I upload it to my OneDrive in Office 365. So the name of it here is fine, and I'm just going to click to save, and it'll be there on my desktop. And I'm going to come over here to portal.office.com. Again, you can get to your OneDrive anytime at portal.office.com, and I'll go to OneDrive, and I'm just going to upload this to my desktop files folder here, and I'm going to click to upload, and it's an individual file, so I click files, and now I can scroll down, and here it is, copy of fractions task cards, and I click to open. And so now it's uploading here to my OneDrive, and it's going to show here in my list of files. You're welcome to rename it, of course, if copy of is not what you're after. If you click on the three dots to the right of the file name, I can click to rename, and then we'll just go with fraction task cards. And actually, I'm going to get rid of the underscores there too. And we'll click to rename, and then I can share this as needed with students, and so here it is. And if I click in the circle here to the left of the name, I can click to share, and I can enter the Office 365 addresses for my students. So for instance, if I am teaching the graduates of 2028, their Office 365 accounts in our district start with a 28, so I would type 28, and then the child's first initial, and I get all the students with those criteria, and I can select the appropriate ones. You will want to change from anyone with the link can edit, as the students will make their own copy of the file. So I would want to uncheck this box that says allow editing, and I'll click apply, and then I can go back to searching for my students. Again, starting with their grad year, first initial, last name. And once I've found all of my students, and I can add as many as I need right here, I will click to send, and they will be able to access the file from their OneDrive, make a copy of it, and use it on their device. And I have another video that will show you how they can do that. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.